Hello, welcome to the week of August 27th at Shaw University. This is English 111 Online, Fall Semester 2018. So last week we kind of got introduced to the class and did some stuff, and now we are starting to get into some of the things, the topics that are specific to English 111. So what are we doing? Well, we're watching this video. Yeah, look at you, because you're already watching it. Okay. A couple other videos you get to watch this week. One on plagiarism and the MLA formatting video, which you're going to watch. And we get to have our first readings in Odigia. You're like, what are you? Odigia. Odigia, again, is the textbook. There's two things you get to read. Introduction to English 111, Understanding and How to Avoid Plagiarism. And the other section is MLA formatting. You're like, how do I do that? So again, Odigia is found at the top of your page, the digital textbook. And then you click on this, then you say, okay, yes, I'm going to click on the new window. And again, you will just see English 111. So you open your course, of course, and so then you're going to read Introduction to Understanding How to Avoid Plagiarism. What you're going to do is you click on the little thing over here. It says Ethics in Writing. Okay, and then there is the reading for that. Now, once you are completed reading it, then you would click on Reading Completed. This helps you track what you've completed. So you're like, did I read that? Did I not read that? But this is information that you need to know. It is required information you need to know. So again, that's kind of Odigia. So there's two things you're going to be reading in Odigia. So there is the Introduction English, and then the other one is MLA formatting, which is down here. And this one actually has a few things. There's some MLA style basics. Okay, so there's that. And what else we got in MLA formatting? There's a formatting example of what it looks like when you have something that is completed properly in MLA formatting. Okay, that's good. What else we got? And then there's two videos, how to set up an MLA formatted video and how to set up a works cited page. Those are both found in Odigia as well. Okay, so these are some things that you get to see. So that's the concept of Odigia as far as having a textbook where you do the things. Okay, so let's go back to the week of August 27th. So you're going to watch the video on plagiarism. This MLA formatting video, it's the same video that's found in that MLA formatting part of Odigia. So whatever. It walks you through step by step of how to set up an MLA formatted paper. And that's very important, okay? You need to know that. And then you have two quizzes. One on plagiarism and one on MLA formatting. You can take these quizzes twice and the highest score counts. Again, to take a quiz, you simply click on the link and then hit Attempt Quiz Now. So if you don't score 100% on the first try, take it again because the highest score counts. And that's for both of those quizzes. So that's what's going on here for this week. We're learning about the importance of plagiarism, understanding what MLA formatting is. And then again, I use quizzes more to reinforce concepts because you're going to be kind of tested more on these when we start writing papers. Both of these assignments, these quizzes, are due by September 2nd. Now you're going to say to me maybe, well, how do you know for sure that I read these things in Odigia? Well, it'll become stupidly obvious to me when you start doing assignments and you haven't done this stuff. If you start plagiarizing and you don't do MLA formatting, I know you haven't done it. So that's on you. It's not on me. I'm not going to chase you down about that. So anyway, so there's your two quizzes. They are due by Sunday, September the 2nd. Again, no late work is accepted. So that's it for this week. Go ahead and get it done.